Hi. Sometimes we hold ourselves back from doing something great because it's just easier to do nothing at all. But today, I've got something great for you to do that's almost as easy as doing nothing at all. I'm your crypto nerd, and I'm going to show you how fast you can purchase cryptocurrency on your phone using Coinbase. Creating an account is easy. Just search Coinbase or hit the link below and press the Get Started button. After that, you'll be guided to provide some basic info that takes less than 5 minutes. Once you already have an account, investing and managing your portfolio is only a few clicks away. I like to use it on my phone. This leads me to Algorand. I'll choose Algorand to purchase for this example because I believe in the pure proof-of-stake blockchain. Long-term success in the crypto world is about creating the technology and infrastructure to weather the storm of the market. And Algorand got together the greatest minds and backing in the game to create something with the structural integrity of the Colosseum. Once you already have Coinbase, let me show you how easy it is to purchase on your phone. Open up the app, tap those little blue arrows, hit the buy button, scroll down to Algorand, and for this example, I'll buy a quick $10 worth. And as easy as that, we've made our investment and become a part of something great. See? I told you it was almost as easy as doing nothing at all. You know what else is pretty easy? Hitting that subscribe button and following us on Twitter. Check the links down below, and don't forget to check back with us for more crypto info. Thanks for watching.